Oh, hi there. Today, I'm going to be doing my biology assignment via video. The assignment is to gather, process, and analyze information from secondary sources to describe ways in which drinking water can be treated and use available evidence to explain how these methods reduce the risk of infection from pathogens. Water has, and always will be, as you know, necessary for world population. As such, it is pivotal that we are able to supply vast quantities of purified water free of pathogens. There are numerous secondary sources that I use to do this assignment. Some include the website, New South Wales Health Department, the good old biology syllabus, Biology in Context, awesome book, good work. Copy pasted most of my information from there. Just joking. The Excel book, COD 6 and COD 4, without which I don't think I would have been able to do this. The trusty old phone, with which I use to call up people, tell me how to do this, which is what I did this time. Not really. Anywho, so there are numerous reasons why we need to, make sure our water is pure, and there are numerous places where standards have to be kept. These include, drinking water, recreational water quality, which is like amusement parks and stuff, swimming pools, and where you swim, obviously, and sewage, which is where you yeah. The standards they have serve the purpose of targeting pathogens such as E. coli or coliform bacteria. And anyway, drinking water is water you can drink. Before drinking water, water must be filtered to remove all the larger particles as well as smaller particles. I'll demonstrate this now. I'll get this. Let's say this is a filter. Let's say this is water from some random place with impurities in it. As you can see, the filter will allow all the water to get through. But when it comes to impurities, gotcha, the filter will in fact catch them and prevent them from being used, prevent them from getting into the system. Dang it. So now this water is clean. Now, some of these filters in the olden days used to be like sand beds, and these were used until recently. Newer technologies such as membrane filtration has been used because it's got an increased level of control over the pore size, which controls how small the particles can get. So something like this, which is really small, needs something like a membrane filtration to prevent it from getting through. Smart. Now, sometimes they add carbon, activated carbon, because this can then react with the impurities, such as toxins, and when they react, they actually solidify, or they cause a solid particle, which can then be removed by filtration. Pretty cool. This is being commonly used in places such as desalination plants and the like. You know, examples are there's dissolved, particles in this, and then we add some sort of coagulant, let's say aluminium. And when we add it in, the aluminium sulfate to the water will react and cause something to form, which is known as floc, which then settles to the bottom of the water tank and then can be filtered. Another effective source is chlorine, which can be added and will kill, annihilate, destroy, 99%, which is really effective. And that's to ensure that we don't get bacteria and viruses in water. And it has been really successful. Due to all these types of ways of purifying water, there's a reduced chance of infection from drinking water because the pathogens are no longer present. Another effective way is to boil the water, which is what you do when you're cooking cup ramen, which is what I'm going to do right now. Thanks for watching.